When students are learning to spell sight words, they're often trying to just memorize a string of letters. Sight words are really maybe not the best way to name these high frequency words, but they are words that we see often in our language. They are some of the most common words, and many of them are phonetically irregular. They don't follow the other patterns in the English language. Many of them come from the Anglo-Saxon early English, and they have some very odd, odd patterns. One of the most common words that we use is the word said. If students know that there are some regularities to the words that they're learning, it can make the words easier for them to learn. For example, the students that I'm teaching are learning to find how many sounds are in a word. In the word said, let's pull apart the sounds. S, e, d. Let's write a line for each sound we hear. S. Well, not with that one. Here we go. S, e, d. We know that said is spelled S-A-I-D. The first sound in said is S, and it is spelled the way we expect it to sound. The last sound in said is D, and it is spelled the way we expect it to be spelled. Matches its sound. The only part of the word that doesn't match the sound is eh. This is the part we need to know by heart. If they can remember that AI is the part in the middle that's making the eh sound, they know that's the only part of this word they need to know by heart. Said, s, eh, d. Having them practice this way helps them see that there is still quite a bit of order to the words they're learning that are otherwise irregular.